Welcome to my channel. How to configure the APN on your Nighthawk M6 Pro mobile router. You must have the following to configure APN settings on your mobile router. A nano SIM card with an active data plan from your carrier. The correct APN settings for your carrier: name setting, required by all carriers; APN setting, required by all carriers; username and password, required by some carriers only. For a list of APN information for worldwide carriers that might not automatically set on your mobile router, click or tap to expand the following section. Set up an access point name on your Nighthawk M6 or M6 Pro. Turn on your mobile router with an active SIM card inserted. If the screen is locked, unlock the screen by swiping up. The main dashboard displays. Tap Settings, a mobile APN ad. In the name field, enter the name setting that your carrier provided and tap Done. Typically, this is your carrier's name. In the APN field, enter the APN that your carrier provided. Optional, if your carrier provided additional details like a username or password, enter them in the corresponding fields. Tap Save. Your APN settings are saved and set as the new default APN.